to my channel. So today we have a different topic and it is related to the Flutter. So we have the flutter.dev website, and what we will be doing in this video is we will run this site locally. Yes, we will run this site locally on your local machine. So flutter.dev is an open source website created by Flutter, and it is hosted in the GitHub. If you go and type Flutter website, you can navigate from here. So this website, the whole source code for this website is located here. So if you take a look at this repo, then here is the instruction for building this site locally and creating a instruction for the pull request. So in this video we will be only running it in your local. So what is the benefit of running it into local? So one is you will have the idea of how the official Flutter community or the official Flutter developers, right, how they code for the Flutter web. So you will have the good knowledge on there. And another one advantage is whenever there is new documentation update, you can do git pull and you can find the difference with git diff to find the differences between what has been changed. So with this you will be always with up to date with the Flutter documentation. So that are the two main benefits. And other is like if you are contributing to this website, then you can contribute through that way, changing your changes and creating a pull request. So let's start. So the guide is pretty straightforward. So from here the build this site, so you will need the Flutter install on your local machine and the Node.js. So if you do not have them installed, then you can follow the guide from here, install Flutter and download Node.js archive from here. So once you have installed, so I have already installed them. So once you have installed them, open up a terminal, create a folder, I would say mkdir Noobs Planet, my channel, cd Noobs Planet, and here right click and paste and press enter. So it's cloning cloning the repository and all the sub modules which are dependent to that repository. So it will take few minutes depending upon your internet connection. So these commands you do not need because this command already includes to clone the submodules, so you can skip them and come down to here. So now at this point do dart now we need to go into the directory. Let's do ls and see we have the website that comes in. Now cd website, go into that website directory and do dart pub get. So the current version of dart is 3.5.3 because it requires 3.6.0. oh, so I need to upgrade the Flutter to the latest version. So Flutter -- version, and I am using 3.24.3. Now let's do Flutter fvm list. Let me see. Okay, I am going to update my Flutter with Flutter upgrade. And dun, 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 dun. Okay, no problem. I will force upgrade. Okay, at first I thought of upgrading it through FPM, then I changed my mind not to use FPM now, and just do Flutter upgrade. Okay, so it should be pretty quick. So it has downloaded and downloading some dependencies related to iOS and Android platforms, downloading web SDKs, downloading tools for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Okay, running Flutter Doctor automatically. Okay, we are all good. So we are in latest version of Flutter. We can see we are now running Flutter 3.27.1 on stable channel. All right, now let's do Flutter. What I was doing, sorry, yeah, dart pubget. Okay, done. Now do node dash dash version, and we are using 23.4.0. Now brew install core pack. So to install this, you will need a homebrew. If you have not installed, then you can install the homebrew from brew.sh. So just copy this command and paste it in terminal to install it. So it's just one line of code, copy and paste into terminal. So that will install the homebrew on your Mac OS. Okay, now we have downloaded the core pack. So we are using the core pack for the first time, so we need to enable it, and we have successfully enabled it since there is no any error message. Now we do core pack install. Okay, so command not found. So it says command not found. Let me do one more time. Oh, sorry, I was missing the S in install. Okay, it now added the PNP, that version of 9.15.0 to the cats. Now this is optional, but let me do it. Npm install. So it will, okay, sorry. So it will fetch this site's npm dependencies, and so the Flutter team, right, so they recommended us to use the npm. Okay, done. We have installed. Now the last is running our site with dash underscore site serve. You can find what you can do with this help command. If you run this, then you can see what you can do. So you can do the build, analyze Dart, check all, format Dart, format the code, right? And yeah, so you can also verify the Firebase JSON is valid or not. So things like that. So to run the site, we will use the serve command. which will serve the site locally. Okay, this is all you need to do, and you need to wait. It will automatically open up a browser and redirect to the local host port. Okay, so it did not open browser, but we can see the message that server at http://localhost colon 4000 port, right? Okay, let's go through. Let's copy this. Or I can do by open link from here, and this will take I don't know. Okay, sorry, where was this? Sorry. Okay, here we are. So you can see now this is the local host. Let's compare with, okay, I'm copying this and closing here and going here to compare. Okay, so this is the local host, and this is the flutter.dev. If you take a look at the getting started introduction, like you can find all these guides from here. So this one, actually, this one and this one. Okay, so that's all for today, and let's wrap up with this. So in the next video, I will walk you through how to create a website like this, this documentation site, right? So this site is created using Flutter, but there is some best practices that we need to follow to be able to make it available through the SEO, right? So, and also there are a few more things to consider. All right, that's all for today. Thank you.